guys, welcome back to How to Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and if your horn, guys, doesn't work, the one on the steering wheel, guys, and you need to replace the horn assembly, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, guys, and how to replace it now. We'll, guys, have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful. So let's go ahead, start on it and show you what needs to be done to replace your horns. So as you can see, guys, we took the car apart. We'll be doing engine replacement. This is the spare engine right here, low mileage engine, guys. We'll have so many videos on this car, guys. So what needs to be done to get to the horns, guys? You will have to remove the bumper cover, guys. You have to remove that piece here, okay, and usually the piece, okay, it will give you enough room to get up to here, okay, but you will not be access that part because it's covered by the bumper. And the only way to get to the horns, guys, is by removing your bumper cover. If you want to see the video, guys, it's on our channel. It will explain how to remove or replace bumper cover, front bumper cover on Dodge Dart. Once you guys remove the bumper cover, okay, you will have only one bolt holding, okay, holding the horns right here with a 10mm socket. So let's go ahead and remove that bolt now, and I'll show you what else we need to do. It's super simple once you remove the bumper, guys, but the bumper will take you some time. Not very complicated, but the video will be on the channel. So that's how long the bolt is. Now we need to disconnect the wiring harness. That red pin, guys, okay, that's a safety pin. Need to pull it back. Okay, and I need to get a screwdriver to pull it because it is stuck here pretty bad. So okay, we can push it from here. This is the tooth right here. So push it back. Okay, perfect. Now press down and pull it out. This is it, guys. You can see like that. This is the horn of a Dodge Dart, guys. So if you want to buy any parts, guys, or tools that we use in our videos, we'll have the links in the description of the video below. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.